At Locksmith Worcester, MA. We can help you. We have the very best deals in Worcester, MA. We provide high quality service that is trusted and punctual. We have a team of licensed professionals who are highly skilled and have extensive, up to date knowledge about advanced security measures for household, automobiles, and businesses. We install all security lock products and attend to problems such as lockouts, break-ins, rekeys, broken keys, and forgotten combinations. Our professionals can fix any problem right on the spot. We are your professional locksmith experience local company. So call us when you need help. On the lookout for security solutions in Worcester, but you don't know where to go. We can help you with any problem requiring the services of a professional locksmith. We are a licensed agency. So call today at 617-275-5434 and receive a 10% discount on your repair job.